Hi, first graders. Today we are learning about the life cycle of a butterfly. So I'm going to read this to you. First, though, I want you to go get out your butterfly life cycle packet. I'll give you just a second to go get that out and get a pencil as well. Okay, I'm going to read you some facts about the butterfly life cycle. Have you seen a butterfly before? They are one of nature's prettier insects. They come in almost every color. The scientific name for a butterfly is, and then this super long word right here is the scientific name for a butterfly, which is hard to say. So we are just going to call them butterflies. Butterflies have a complete life cycle that takes them through 4 stages of life. The 4 stages are egg, larva, pupa, and adult butterfly. The amazing changes that take place are a process of transformation called metamorphosis. Can you say that word? Metamorphosis. Butterflies start out as tiny, round or oval shaped eggs. The adult female butterfly lays her eggs on the underside of leaves. A female monarch butterfly can lay up to 300 eggs, but only 1 egg per leaf. So she has 300 eggs, and she only puts 1 egg on a leaf. The eggs take about 3 to 4 days to hatch. The new little bugs that hatch out are larvae, which we commonly call caterpillars. They look like a bug, but not much like a butterfly yet. They have to go through some more growing stages first. Larvae are very hungry, or caterpillars are very hungry. When they hatch, the first thing they do is eat the eggshell. After that, they eat the leaf that they were born on. Caterpillars eat all the time. Each time they grow, they molt, which means shed their skin. Butterflies stay in the larva stage for about 2 weeks, and then they start their most amazing transformation. The larvae attach themselves to a leaf or a stem. They curl up and they become very still. A skin forms around them and the larvae begin to change inside the skin wrapping. This stage is called the pupa stage. Pupas are also called chrysalis. Monarch chrysalis start out green, but later the skin becomes see-through. The pupa stage lasts for about 2 weeks. This metamorphosis is a complete rearranging and changing of the body from a caterpillar to a butterfly. When it emerges, new butterflies are very fragile. Their wings are wrinkled up and wet from being inside the pupa skin. It takes a few hours for the wings to straighten out and gain enough strength to fly. Adult butterflies do not eat leaves, like when they were caterpillars. Adult butterflies drink nectar. Nectar is a sugary liquid found in flowers. Butterflies have a long tongue called a proboscis that can stretch down inside the flowers where the nectar is. The proboscis curls up when they are not drinking. It is the job of adult butterflies to lay eggs before they die, to begin the life cycle again. Butterflies live different lengths of time depending on when they are born. Butterflies born in the spring and early summer only live about a month. Butterflies that are born at the end of the summer are the 4th generation, and they live a lot longer. The 4th generation butterflies live 8 to 9 months so that they can migrate to a warmer place for the winter, and then return to their eggs. So, the first page in your butterfly packet looks like this. Go ahead and find this page. So this is called butterfly fill in the blank. So you have down here words that go in the blanks. So let's find out what words go where. Butterflies are an blank. A pupa, a larva, a butterfly, a life cycle, an insect, a stages, eggs, or skin. What do you think goes in the blank? The correct answer is insect. So go ahead and write insect there, and then you want to scratch it off down below. So butterflies are an insect that come in lots of different colors. Next sentence. They have a complete life cycle that has 4 blank. What word goes in the blank there? The word that goes in the second blank is stages, because there are 4 life cycle stages. Next sentence. Butterflies hatch from blank. Remember what it was called when they hatch? So this is the very first life cycle stage, and it is eggs. Next sentence. When they come out of the egg, they are called blank. What goes in the blank? The correct word here is larva, and we learned that larvae are also called caterpillars. Make sure you scratch off larva. So when they come out of the egg, they are called larvae, and they are very blank. Very blank. And it looks like some of my words got cut off, but the correct answer that goes here is hungry. Very hungry. Okay. As they grow, they blank. They blank. And this is called molt. As they grow, they molt. So go ahead and cross molt off your list. Which means shed their blank. What do they shed? They shed their skin. To change into a butterfly, the caterpillar becomes a blank. What do they become after they're a caterpillar? They become a pupa. That's where they, or a chrysalis. That's where they go into the skin pouch. When the new blank emerges, its wings are wrinkled and wet. What comes out of the pupa? A butterfly. It takes a few hours before they can. The word that goes in that blank is fly, because remember their wings aren't ready to fly yet. Okay? Butterflies drink blank from flowers. What's that sweet sugary stuff that they drink from flowers? That is called nectar. Go ahead and write nectar in that blank. It is the adult butterfly's job to lay eggs so that the blank can start over again. This is called the butterfly life cycle. And there's 2 blanks because there's 2 words. The first word is life and the second word is cycle. While you're finishing writing that, I'm going to read the whole thing now that we have all the fill in the blanks done. Butterflies are an insect that come in lots of different colors. They have a complete life cycle that has 4 stages. Butterflies hatch from eggs. When they come out of the egg, they are called larvae, and they are very hungry. As they grow, they molt, which means shed their skin. To change into a butterfly, the caterpillar becomes a pupa. When the new butterfly emerges, its wings are wrinkled and wet. It takes a few hours before they can fly. Butterflies drink nectar from flowers. It is an adult butterfly's job to lay eggs so that the life cycle can start over again. Hey, go ahead and flip your page. The next page in our butterfly life cycle looks like this. Find this page, please. Now, if you have scissors and a glue stick, go ahead and get that out right now too. If you do not have scissors and a glue stick, I am going to show you what you can do instead. Okay? So if you have scissors and a glue stick, I want you to go ahead and cut out these 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and cut those out. Pause the video if you're cutting them out. Okay, now we need to figure out where they go. So what is the first stage in the butterfly life cycle? What is the first stage? If you said egg, you are right. So this one is going to be number 1. So I don't have scissors and a glue stick right now, so I'm going to draw a line from the egg to number 1. Draw an arrow. Okay, now we need to find number 2. Use a different color. So after they hatch out of the egg, what do they become? The correct answer is larva. And another word or name for larva of a life cycle of a butterfly is a caterpillar. So you're going to find the caterpillar and draw an arrow to number 2. Okay. After it becomes a caterpillar, then what happens? What happens after it becomes a caterpillar? It becomes a pupa. So draw a line from the pupa to number 3. Okay, then the last one is number 4, and the last stage in the butterfly life cycle is what? A butterfly. So go ahead and draw a line or paste the butterfly onto number 4. Okay, then go ahead and flip your page. This is the next page. Okay, so on this page it says trace the names of the body parts of the butterfly. So I'm just going to circle and you're going to trace the words. So right here is the antenna. So if you go right here, then you can write the word antenna, and it's already written for you. You just need to trace it. So the little things that stick out of bugs' heads or insects' heads are called antennas. Okay, then this arrow is pointing to this part, and those are the wings. Okay, then this part right here is pointing to the head, so trace the word head. Now, insects' bodies have 3 parts. They have a head right here. Then they have a thorax, which is the middle part of their body. That's this word right here, thorax. Go ahead and trace that word. And they have an abdomen. Go ahead and trace that word. Okay, that's all we're going to do in our butterfly packet today. There are still a few more pages left. Come back tomorrow to see how to do those ones.